Ideas we'll see the next method, that is when x equal to x into v. V is a function of x, right? So then 1 by f of d x into v will be equal to x 1 by f of d into v plus d by dt means differentiation of 1 by f of d into v. So we'll see one question related to this. Okay, solve. See the solution of this. So how the function is, sorry, one second. Here how the function is, here if you see, this is nothing but our v. Okay, it is a function of v, means it is a function of s. It's a function of x. You are having a function of x and this is our x. This is how it is, x into v. Okay, this is how, see, x is x into v, right? Here you are having x and v is our sin x. V can be sin x, cos x, tan x, anything. It is a function of x, that's it. And we have to use this formula. Okay, we'll see how we are going to use this formula. What is this formula? This formula says that first we have to solve the auxiliary equation. CF we have to find as usual. Okay, symbolic form if I want to write, it will be d square plus 4. As usual we are finding the CF, which is equal to x sin x. Okay, now auxiliary equation is, then the auxiliary equation is, what is my auxiliary equation? D square plus 4 equal to 0. Okay, which implies d square equal to minus 4, d equal to plus or minus 2y. Therefore, complementary function will be equal to C1 is alpha is 0, right? Alpha is 0, beta equal to 2. So answer is e power alpha x into C1 cos beta x plus C2 sin beta x. Okay, alpha is 0, e power 0 into x is 1. So you will be getting answer as C1 cos beta. What is beta? Beta is 2. 2 into x plus C2 sin, what is beta? Beta is 2. So 2 into x. Okay, this is my equation 1. Now we go to the particular integral. What is my particular integral? Is nothing but, which is equal to 1 by d square plus 4 x into sin x. So this is of the form what form it is. I'll make it smaller so that the screen above will be visible. 1 by f of d into v x. Okay, x. What is v? V is my sin x. Okay, what is the formula I am supposed to use? X by 1 by f of d into v plus differentiation of 1 by f of d, okay, into v. This is the formula we are supposed to use. Very simple now, right? Okay, so my particular integral will be equal to x. Okay, first I'll write normally x. 1 by f of d. What is 1 by f of d? 1 by d square plus 4. This is my 1 by f of d. What is my v? V is, here we have written now, v equal to, in this question, v equal to sin x, right? In this question, v is sin x, right? Therefore, into v, what is my v? V is sin x plus differentiation of, what is my f of d? F of d is nothing but d square plus 4. 1 by f of d equal to d square plus 4 whole to the power of minus 1. Okay, now d by dt of 1 by f of d, right? And this will be equal to minus 1 d square plus 4 whole to the power of minus 2. Okay, whole to the power of minus 2 into differentiation of d square is 2d and differentiation of 4 is 0. So this will become minus 2d in the numerator divided by d square plus 4 the whole square. Okay, so what I should write here? There is no plus here. Okay, that is minus. So minus 2d by d square plus 4 the whole square, that is this one, d by d 1 by f of d. So we did d by d 1 by f of d, that is differentiation we did, into v. What is my v? V is nothing but our sin x, right? And therefore this will be equal to, very simple now, this will be equal to x. Okay, what is my sin x? Here a equal to 1. Okay, sin x how you will do? A equal to 1 minus a square equal to minus 1. Okay, here also a equal to 1 minus a square is minus 1. So what it will become? Very simple, it is 1 by minus d square. What is minus d square? Minus d square equal to minus 1. Here also minus d square is minus a square, that is minus 1. So this will become minus 1 plus 4 times sin x minus 2d. Again d square is what? Minus 1 plus 4 the whole square, then to sin x. So this will become x divided by 4 minus 1 is what? 3 into sin x minus 2d divided by 3 square. Okay, my 4 minus 1 3 square into sin x. So this will become x sin x by 3 minus 2 by 9 differentiation of sin x. So this will be x sin x by 3 minus 2 by 9. Differentiation of sin x is cos x. This is my equation 2. There y equal to complementary function plus particular integral, that is 1 plus 2 implies y will be equal to c1 cos 2x plus c2 sin 2x plus 1 by 9 3x. 1 by 9 is taken out, right? So 3x sin x minus 2 cos x. Okay, that's all. This sum is over. Now we'll go to the next sum of this same type. Okay, second sum. Solve d square y by dx square plus 3 dy by dx plus 2y equal to x e power x sin x. So what is the solution here? You should convert into d square plus 3d plus 2 of y equal to x power x sin x, right? Therefore, the auxiliary equation is d square plus 3d plus 2 equal to 0. 2 is 2 ones are 2. Okay. So it will be d plus 2, d plus 1 equal to 0, d equal to minus 2 or minus 1. Therefore, complementary function equal to that e and all we should write no, c1 e power minus x plus c2 e power minus 2x. And that is, if m1 and m2 are solution, it will be c1 e power m1 into x plus c2 e power m2 into x. Okay, if m1 and m2 are solution, this is how you got. So c1 into e power m1 into x plus c2 into e power m2 into x. m1 is minus 2, m2 is minus 1. So we finished this. Now we will go to the particular integral. Okay, what is a particular integral? Particular integral is 1 by d square plus 3d plus 2 times x e power x into sin x, right? X e power x into sin x. What we do? First we should write the e power x, right? E power x. So what e power x is? D plus 1, right? A equal to 1. A equal to 1, right? So we should convert into 1 upon e power x. We have already used, no? So take e power x outside. D plus 1 the whole square plus 3 times d plus 1 into 2, right? Into e power x into sin x. Okay. So this will become e power x into 1 upon, if you simplify, you will get d square plus 5d plus 6. Okay. Into e power x is already written, no? Some mistake. I have to write x here, right? E power x we have already taken out, right? So x into sin x. Then we should use the formula. What is the formula? E power x into x into 1 by f of d. 1 by f of d is d square plus 5d plus 6 into v of x. V of x is sin x plus differentiation of 1 by d square plus 5d plus 6 into v of x. V of x is my sin x, right? So this will be equal to, we use that formula, okay, e power x, x, what is d square? D square equal to minus a square, okay, that is minus 1. Here a equal to 1, right? So this will become 1 upon minus 1 plus 5d plus 6 into sin x plus differentiation of this will be minus 1. So this will become minus, okay, minus 1. Differentiation of denominator is 2d plus 5 divided by d square plus 5d plus 6 the whole square into sin x, right? So this will become e power x into x upon 6 minus 1 5. So 5 plus 5d into sin x minus 2d plus 5 upon, same way here also d square, here also same way d square equal to minus a square equal to minus 1. We will continue in the next class.